Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Akorn grill. First, let's get your Akorn grill ready for its inaugural cook. Begin by assembling all the parts carefully, ensuring everything is secure. It's important to place your grill on a stable, non-flammable surface, at least 3 feet away from any structures. This ensures safety and optimal performance for your cooking experience. Now let's get that fire going. Fill the firebox with lumped charcoal as it burns cleaner and hotter than briquettes. Use a charcoal chimney or a natural fire starter to ignite it safely. Once lit, you'll control the temperature by adjusting the top and bottom dampers. Small adjustments make a big difference, so be patient and observe the thermometer. The Akorn grill is incredibly versatile for various cooking styles. For searing steaks or quick cooks, use direct heat with the food directly over the coals. For smoking ribs or slow roasting, set up for indirect heat, placing food away from the direct flame. Always use a good meat thermometer to ensure your food reaches the perfect internal temperature for safety and flavor. After a delicious meal, proper cleaning ensures your Akorn grill lasts for many years. Let the grill cool down completely before you start. Scrape any food residue from the grates and empty the ash pan. A quick wipe of the exterior surfaces will help prevent rust and keep your grill looking great. Regular maintenance is key to its longevity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.